Here are considered 3 of the best synthesizers for audio for your videos. 1. Roland Jupiter X. Overview. The Roland Jupiter X combines classic analog sound with advanced digital capabilities, making it ideal for professional audio production. Key features. High-quality sound engine with multiple synthesis types, analog, digital, and more. Extensive sound library with vintage and modern sounds. Polyphonic synthesizer with up to 256 voices. Intuitive interface with hands-on controls. Why it's great for videos. Versatility in sound design allows for creating unique and professional audio for video content. Robust build and reliable performance ensure consistent quality. 2. Korg Minilogue XD. Overview. The Korg Minilogue XD is a versatile, polyphonic analog synthesizer with powerful digital elements, perfect for creating rich, textured sounds. Key features. 4-voice polyphonic analog synthesizer. Digital multi-engine for expanded sound design options. Built-in effects, modulation, delay, reverb. 16-step sequencer for complex sound patterns. Why it's great for videos. Compact and portable, making it easy to integrate into any studio setup. Wide range of sounds, from lush pads to sharp leads, ideal for various video genres. 3. Moog Subsequent 37. Overview. The Moog Subsequent 37 is a monophonic analog synthesizer known for its rich, warm sound and precise control, making it a favorite among audio professionals. Key features. 37-note keyboard with aftertouch. 2 analog oscillators with hard sync. Extensive modulation options for detailed sound shaping. High-quality build and classic Moog sound. Why it's great for videos. Signature Moog sound adds depth and character to video audio. Ideal for creating unique soundscapes and effects, enhancing the overall audio quality of videos. Each of these synthesizers offers unique features that make them suitable for video production, providing high-quality sound and versatile capabilities. Whether you need classic analog warmth, modern digital versatility, or a combination of both, these synthesizers are excellent choices for enhancing the audio in your videos.